Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss chapter number 7, population, one of the very important chapter. In this chapter, what we are going to study is meaning of population explosion, population trends in India. Again, the trend is divided into size and growth rate of population, then male female population in India, gender ratio in India, age-wise population of India, and rural and urban population in India. As you all would be knowing that what is population and where do we stand? We stand second in case of population. India is the second largest country in the world with over 1 million people of diverse socio-culture backward. The population of the world is increasing in an exponential manner. India with the population of 834 million is the second most populous country in the world next to China. As you know that China is leading in case of population rise, and the second we are standing, that is India stands second in case of rise in population or population growth, and seventh in the land area with only 2.4% of one world's land area. Suppose how far we are, the population has been compared with the land area. Regarding land wise, if we talk, it is 2.4%, and if I talk about the population, that is 16%. That means India is supporting 16% of the world population, or the 16% share of the population is of India. Now let us understand what do we mean by the Oxford meaning of population. Population is all the organisms that both belong to the same group or species and live in the same geographical area. In sociology, population refers to the collection of human beings. Now, with the rise in population, what will happen is the natural resources will keep on depleting. It is one of the very dangerous sign for future generation. What do you mean by population explosion? Population is also considered as the nightmare, and it is one of the biggest economic problem India is facing, and it is struggling to solve that problem after independence. Till today we don't have any concrete solution for population. Okay. Now what do you mean by population explosion? India's death rate has fallen rapidly, and as against it, the birth rate has not fallen to that extent. The death rate has been falling, as and when even the growth of population would have been fallen, then the balance would have been maintained, but this is not happening. What is happening is that there is a decrease in the death rate, but simultaneously there is no decrease in the population. It keeps on increasing. As a result, number of individuals reside in India increases, which resulted in the rise in the net population, which is also known as population explosion. Population explosion in the layman language is that there is a rise in the population. Now let us understand population trends and the size and the growth rate of population in India. Trend of population in India include size of population, population growth, birth rate, death rate, rural urban population, male female population. Let us quickly understand what is the size of population portion and population and the growth rate that we will consider with the year between 1901 to 2011. So now what is happening, what you can see is that with the help of a bar diagram, we can understand that this is how there is increase in the population. Between 1901 to 1921, the rate of population was low. In the decade 1901 to 1919, there was 5% increase. Slowly and gradually, what you can see is there is increase in the population, the land resources, and all such land areas and natural resources are not increasing. As a result, there is this equilibrium happening in an economy. So this is how it is. See, when you see this bar graph, what you can see is that with the number of years passing, in 2011 the population has rose to the maximum extent, and in 2020 it is still more higher. As a result, there is there is no control to it. Okay. Now let us understand the age-wise population in India. Over here, that is the between 0 to 14 in 2005 it was 32.78, then again it has rose, then again it has rose, and in 2014 it is little decreasing size, right? The same is happening with it between 15 to 64, it is rising and even more rising, and above 65 and above there is increment in population. So this is it, like this can be represented with the help of a graph, that is 0 to 14. As you can see, what is happening is every year there is little increment, and but in the last year there is a little decrease also. And the same way they have even shown between 15 to 64 and 65 and above. This is how the graph is useful in economics, and this is how it is to be drawn. Now let us understand rural and urban population size. It is again what is happening in rural and urban areas in case of population. Let us quickly understand, that is, in recent year the urban population of the total population is constantly rising. There is problem of dirt, and even the sanitation is not being provided. Electricity, transportation is also not provided to the resident of India. Now let us understand with the help of a graph that in urban population and rural population, what is happening is that urban population has also rose to tremendous extent. As a result, there would be disequilibrium between urban areas and rural areas. In case you have any query, this was just in starting an introduction to the chapter of population. In case you find any difficulty, please let me know, and I advise you to read once all the textual matter regarding this chapter, so that all your doubt would be solved. But still, in case doubt persists, please let me know. With this, the first part of population I am ending. Thank you.